Good morning, everyone. Hope everybody's day is going great. Today we are going to make an easy, simple French toast. I know we all love French toast, right? I'm using organic, thin sliced, grain-tastic bread. This bread is so delicious. It's the best grain bread I've ever had. And we're gonna start off by, I got my egg going over here. I'm gonna add some cinnamon to it. Sometimes if you like, you could add a little vanilla, but I'm not too big on that. And put as much or as little cinnamon as you like. Let's beat that up. I'm making one slice, so if you want more, you just use 2, 3, 4, how many ever you're in the mood for today. And take your grain bread and soak it in there. There we go. Come on. While I'm doing that, let's melt some butter. Yeah, I like to soak in the egg as much as I can. Keep your flame on medium once you melt the butter. Excuse me. Bring it down a bit. Press it down a little bit. Eventually, when I get a new camera set up, I'm going to start doing bigger meals and preparation. But for now, we'll start off with the little things. And I hope you're enjoying my recipes. If you are, please like and subscribe. It would mean so much for me. And get your plate ready. And that's it. So fast and easy to make. Shut your heat off. Don't forget, I always have to add extra butter. Get that nice creamy, buttery taste. And it's already been cooked in butter, so you really don't need that much unless you love it. put as much as you like. I know a lot of people could use syrup and honey, but for some reason, I really love it with some white powdered sugar. And there you have it, French toast, all made and ready to dig in and eat. How's that look? Okay, everybody, I hope you have a great day. Thank you for joining me.